find a job for, and create your own job for yourself and let go the 9 to 5 because that's how we kill our black people, you know. We never did know nothing about 9 to 5 work, you know. A slavery instilled that way, so you have to get up early, go to work, and come back before the sun go down. And go sleep.
True.
So you don't have no time for your family, and you don't have no time for your friend, and you don't have no time for watch TV. Yeah, so we have said that the 9 to 5 thing is a European construct that grab people and bind you in a certain situation. That because you have certain things to deal with, your family life, light bill, water rate, all them things. You have to be multitasking in this time. You have to know wood fire. You have to know gas stove, electric stove. And you have to know no stove at all. That when the time comes, you don't get trapped. Because some people have electric stove, and if them electricity gone, them can't eat. Them gonna go buy Burger King.